Good morning. Oh, good cows. Look at that corn stand. It's way up there. Start flooding this a bit here. Oh, mama, be nice. You drinking, mama? Want some on ya? Oh yeah, she's a happy girl. We are into a cooker today. Holy smokes, it's hot out there. Not even 9 a.m. and it's like mid-20s already. Anyway, we got a bunch of hay up yesterday. Did a bunch of rounds. Got our first round order filled. Got outside rounds left in like a couple acres. It was getting a little tough last night and I ran out of shear pins on my tie arm. Made some really nice hay. A couple acres down that we got a square bill yet. And hopefully we're done by around noon and we can come home and sit on the beach and maybe drink a beer. Well, we're on our way now. Gonna go service everything quickly, get everything ready, and we'll be able to start right away. For the round baler, we're just gonna grease it up and oil's still good. Okay, well the old man's almost at the other machine, so we're gonna go get that thing ready. It's all greased and everything, it's just we gotta get it tying, so. It's looking pretty good here though. We got I think about 57 bales on the counter right now. 35 of them are 4x5s, they're small. Here's that little piece, we're gonna square bale. Nothing huge, pretty nice hay in here, pretty nice swaths. Okay, we made it to the baler. He tried last night and it would not tie, so it made a hell of a mess. So we're just gonna have to come clean this up, but see if we can get this thing running here. Okay, well we got the small baler working here. He's up and going now. He's gotta go slow. The swaths are too thick to pick it up quick. And it's not a high capacity machine, but here he is. Waiting for me to move my ass. Making it happen. It's like being wrapped in a hot, wet blanket right now. It is so bloody hot. One day we will have an AC cab. I don't even have you seen this truck. Back to greasing. Back up. Boom. Yeah, so yesterday we had latches on the gate. Not like they just kept locking on me. They wouldn't pop open or nothing. Ended up just putting grease on the plates and I've had zero issue since, so that's been awesome. I'm gonna fire this thing up, let it warm up. The oiler chains until we start going. I'm cracking windows in here, it's too bloody hot. Never used to hide keys, but it seems like farm theft and vandalism is always going up, so I had the keys. Stretch it out in the morning. Everything's working good. Recalibrate the moisture meter. Lock the count down to 5. Cal, you're good. With air, you got work to do. We got a rough looking lace clip in there. It's not looking too hot. I'm hoping that we can get through the next 20 bales or so, just finish off today and fix it up when it's back in the yard. That's a hope at least. Well, the hay's dry as the bone still, so get it. There it is. Hour
pretty damn good. I'm very pleased with it. A lot of cleanup to do now, but hey, whatever. That will be done in a few days. Time to go drink a beer and have a swim. It is hot. Talk to you later. Have a good one.